Welcome to my YouTube tutorial on Bootstrap. In this video, we will embark on an exciting journey through the world of front-end web development with Bootstrap. We will explore how Bootstrap can revolutionize the way you design and build responsive, mobile-first websites with ease. Whether you are a seasoned developer looking to enhance your skills or beginner eager to dive into web development, Bootstrap has something for everyone. Get ready to unlock the power of Bootstrap and take your web projects to new heights. Let's dive in. So what is Bootstrap? Bootstrap is a free front-end framework for faster and easier web development. Bootstrap includes HTML and CSS-based design, templates for typography, forms, buttons, tables, navigation, modals, image, carousels, and many others, as well as optional JavaScript plugins. Bootstrap also gives you the ability to easily create responsive designs. But before we start, we should install and open the text editors like Notepad, Notepad++, NetBeans, Sublime Text, Dreamweaver, or Visual Studio Code. Bootstrap 4 uses HTML elements and CSS properties that require the HTML5 doc type, so we should always include the HTML5 doc type at the beginning of the page, along with the long attribute and the correct character set. Bootstrap 4 is designed to be responsive to mobile devices. Mobile-first style are part of the core framework to ensure proper rendering and touch zooming. Add the following meta tag inside the head elements. Save the file and open the HTML file in any web browsers such as Chrome, Firefox, Microsoft Edge, or Opera. Now, let's try to create a web page using Bootstrap. For this tutorial, I will be using Bootstrap 4. Let's get started. First, we should create a new HTML file and name it appropriately, such as index.html. Then, let's add a navbar to the body of your HTML file. Then, let's add a content section beneath the nav bar. Then, let's add cards and carousel within the content section. Then let's add a modal for character details. Within the content section, add alerts and breadcrumbs. Finally, include Bootstrap JavaScript for the modal and carousel functionalities. Thank you for joining us on this Bootstrap journey. We hope you found this tutorial helpful in getting started with Bootstrap and building responsive websites. Remember, Bootstrap is a powerful tool that can streamline your web development process and elevate your projects to new heights of design and functionality. Stay inspired, keep experimenting, and never stop learning. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more web development content. Keep coding, keep creating, and we'll see you in the next video. Happy coding with Bootstrap!